Hello, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Thank you for the opportunity that we have to share our research. Our research title is The Influence of Crisis and Wi-Fi Facilities on Purchase Intention at Janji Jiwa, Jakarta. We are Henilia Yulita and Mr. Koerniawan. We were coming from Universitas Bunda Mulia. Introduction. The impact of pandemic COVID result is not felt only by large business groups, but also from small entrepreneurs, including the micro levels with demands for adjusting to change both tactics and strategies to win back the customers. The food and beverage business is a business that also is able to survive compared to the other business during the current COVID-19 pandemic, including the coffee shop business that exists with the inspiration of creative competitiveness. Janji Jiwa experienced an increase in 2019 with claims that increased 700 outlets and in 2020 to 800 outlets with 20 million customers in 100 countries. A coffee shop with a brand identity as a symbol of existence and strength of the brand as a part of marketing value. In addition, word coffee shop use a symbol of marketing semiotic. The word suffix attached to the brand is a part of meaning that the symbol of the strength of the brand itself, such as Kedai Kopi Cantik Jiwa. Headline of Janji Jiwa. It is interpreted by coffee from heart, with a fresh to cup serving of coffee from local Indonesia farmers and the type of Robusta coffee from Sumatra. Prices is amount of money charged to product and service from total value exchanged by customer for the benefit of owning and using the product and services. Wi-Fi facility is a technology to exchange data into radio waves or wireless using electronic equipment. Purchase intention, buying interest, is a psychological interest or activities that arise because of feeling and thought about the product or service. Method. This quantitative method research uses structural equation model or SEM partial least square or PLS with Smart PLS 3.0. PLSM can explain the analysis of structural models that are cause-effect with a relative small number of samples. The samples of this study is 75 customers who purchased Janji Jiwa at least around 3 months, the last 3 months. This study used questionnaire 3. The first one is very disagree and 5 is very disagree. The hypotheses of this research are price factors affect purchase intention. The second, Wi-Fi facilities factors affect purchase intention. Result and discussion. Based on socio-demographic respondent as shown in table in the picture, this research is dominated by the women. The initial testing process generates number to determine whether the existing construct is valid or no. Second, the age of respondent who knows the existence of Kopi Janji Jiwa outlet is about 74.60, age 20 to 25 years old. The types of occupation most respondent knows about the existence Janji Jiwa coffee shop. Most of them are students at 64%. Education background are mostly high school, senior high school is about 56%. Framework research. Validity. The auto-loading value of an indicator declared that if it is about 0.7, it means all indicators are valid. However, we can see that X1 2.2 in price means have the auto-loading value below 0.7. That's why price and then at X1 2.2 X1 3.2 and X1 4.2 have below 0.7. That's why these indicators must be deleted. After deleting the indicators, it can be seen that all the autoloadings value for each indicator are above 0.7, so that all indicators of the X1 variable, X2 variable, and Y variable are declared valid. After deleting the indicator, it can be seen that average variance extracted or AVE value of the X1 construct price is already above 0.5, which is 0.0602, so that this variable declared reliable. Also, the average variance value of X2 Wi-Fi are above 0.5. So X1, variable X1 price and X2 Wi-Fi are reliable. R-square value explained that the buying interest variable is influenced by prices and Wi-Fi variables by 68.8%, while the rest, 31.2%, is influenced by other variables. From path coefficient, we can see the positive effect between variables X1 price to variable Y purchase intention, with the t-statistic value is above 1.96 and significant p-value is below 0.05. However, for variable 2, X2 Wi-Fi with variable Y buying interest or purchase interest result is below 1.96 and the significance is above 0.05. So that it can be concluded that there is no influence between Wi-Fi on purchase intention. Conclusion. Price as an independent variable significantly affects purchase intention in the dependent variable. However, number 2, hypothesis 2, Wi-Fi as an independent variable does not significantly affect purchase intention in the dependent variable. And these are the references that I use for doing this research. Thank you.